The last thing we want to do after a long day is worry about what to make for dinner. Although we have lots of easy and tasty options on our website, today I'm sharing a dish that's totally stress-free, thanks to a little help from our slow cooker. In the morning, all we have to do is combine some chicken breasts, a can of red enchilada sauce, a couple of bouillon cubes, a bit of cumin, and the zest of a lime. Then you set it on low and let it do its thing. Right before dinner, place a flour tortilla on a cutting board and top it with warmed refried beans and some of the cooked chicken that we shredded and mixed back into our flavor-packed sauce. Now we fold the tortilla envelope style and place it in a baking dish. Repeating this with the remaining tortillas. Once they're all stuffed, we pour the rest of the saucy chicken mixture over them and finish them off with some shredded cheddar cheese. Pop them in the oven just long enough for the cheese to melt, and they're done. This is definitely one of those meals that's perfect for a busy weeknight or on game day. To get the recipe for our slow cooker chicken enchiladas, simply visit our website. Let me tell you, these are amazing. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a stress-free, slow-cooked way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You're loving them, aren't you? Mind if I try?